actually. Good evening. It's the evening of my first zero. I'm in Asheville. I've had such an incredible day so far. I woke up and actually I did some editing like very early, but then around 7 I went to a cafe and had a nice oat milk latte, which I love, to have that with my like journaling time. So I did some journaling at the cafe this morning. It was called Odds Cafe. It was really cute, and I spent a couple hours there and kind of like made a to-do list and kind of organized like, okay, what do I need to get done the rest of the day? And that included like laundry, resupply, YouTube stuff, but it also included some like girly, or not girly, but just like spa weekend activities that Kendra and I like had planned and had wanted to do. So at 10 this morning we went to a hot yoga class that was so hot and so hard and so much fun. Oh my god, just went to this amazing yoga class. Whew, I am so sweaty. Kendra and I are so sweaty. Oh my god. It felt so good for my body to just like stretch, and there's a plane going overhead, so it's really loud. But there was like music, and it was at like Asheville Hot Yoga. So if you're in the area, it's like, it was really fun, and I want to go take another class there again. So we did like power hot yoga, and then we kind of just like relaxed in the afternoon, and then we had this like amazing like massage hour. We went to this like Hand and Stone massage parlor, and I've actually never had like a real massage like that you pay for. So I felt like, okay, I'm definitely pampering myself this weekend, but I'm here, and it's I don't know, it was the right time in the right place. Kendra really needed one too, so we did that together, and oh my god, and then we went to this place for lunch called, what is it, like vegan, I'm spacing on the name, but it was like this like fast food vegan joint. And it was so good. My vegan chicken sandwich was like 4 inches tall. and we got like vegan mozzarella sticks and fries, and it was just like so good. And then a little bit of cheesecake. Oh, and then we kind of just like ran errands and went to the store, went to a couple stores, and now I'm so excited. I'm gonna like make a big thing of vegan veggie curry. It's kind of like a hodgepodge style curry that I make, but it has like a ton of veggies and tofu and coconut milk, and it's gonna be so delicious, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna cook that tonight, and I have another friend from college who lives in Asheville, and she's coming over too. I'm at Kendra's house right now on her patio. So hopefully I'll get some more clips of us hanging out tonight, because I really didn't pull out the camera enough today. But yeah, I got all my food for a resupply. I probably have like 4 days. I mean, I know I'm gonna hit Hot Springs, but I'm not sure there's gonna be good options in Hot Springs as far as like the vegan meat and stuff that I've been enjoying. So I was just like, I'm just gonna carry like 4 days of food and then pick up a few things, like maybe extra chips or something when I get to Hot Springs if I need anything. But yeah, all my electronics are charged, my clothes are clean, my videos are up and loaded, so I have a little bit more work to do on those tonight. But other than that, I'm just like hanging out and enjoying time with my old friends, and just feeling so thankful to have this time off trail where I'm like not only doing the thing I want to do, but also close enough to people that I love and care about that I can spend time with. So Yeah, I'm gonna get inside and start cooking, and I will talk to you more later. Oops, boiled over my hot chocolate. Lived up to the cup's name. Just had a great dinner. Now I'm packing up all my stuff. It's always a big old mess on the bed. But just got my clothes and my sleeping bag packed away. And yeah, I'm gonna finish packing like my stuff and then work on like organizing my food resupply. Yeah. Okay, so my food bag is officially too heavy. I decided to pack out 4 days of food because I'm not going to resupply in Hot Springs really. I'm kind of just going to pass through, maybe get a burger or something, veggie burger, and then keep going and then not resupply till Irwin, which is I think about 100 miles, a little over 100 miles from Standing Bear Hostel. So this is a lot of food, but I think I did pretty well in the last stretch. Like I also hiked out 8 pounds of food for 4 days through the Smokies, and I pretty much ate everything. And this resupply is really similar to that one. I'm not exactly sure why it's heavier, but it is a little bit because it was like closer to 9 pounds. But yeah, I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna have big days, I think, and hopefully it's just 4 days and a bit. So look how cute these beautiful little flowers are. They're so happy and singing of springtime.